Gröten är störka, i supen är glädjen. Prästen har till kyrka, piggar till fejen. En tallrik gröt med en sup ut i toppen. Det gör så rasande gott ut i kroppen. Värde på husbon och husmor jag sätter.
But it is such a lovely place, and I went wild camping, and that is so good. Wild camping, you see the stars in the sky, you have your own fire pit. It is absolutely out of this world. And I wasn't cold. It was I think it was -2 or something. I wasn't cold. It was a really cold night, but I was if you've got the right sleeping bags and you're wrapped up warm and you've got your, what's it called, one of these down jackets, they will keep you warm, really warm, and you might always wear a hat at night because the temperature drops. But I'm sort of glamping now. I got this big tent. I had it for quite a few years, and I thought, God, I just got it out, and I thought, oh, what happens if it's all mouldy or it's because I haven't had this tent out for ages, and I thought, oh my God, it might be mouldy, it might have holes in it, I might not have all the pieces and everything. But yeah, I still got the pieces, and I made it like home from home. And I got a TV, and I got one of these wind-up radios, and they are absolutely brilliant. They're solar power and they wind up as well, so you know, that's really good, the radio. And the little TVs, I had this TV for years. It's electric, you know, so I'm doing a bit of luxury at the moment now. So I've done the wild camping, now I'm doing the luxury. And yeah, like home from home. Got my little cooker, got me I'll show you. I got me I've got the fire pit. You with wild camping you get the fire pit free, because you know, and that. But with luxury camping, like big tents, and you want the grass tents, electric hookups, you hire the fire pit, so it's so it doesn't ruin the grass, which is understandable. You know, you want a nice grass and that. And I'll show you around. This is my tent, as you can see. I've got the doggy bed here for Toto. I've got all my stuff there. Got, oh look, Disney Paris. I went to Florida as well, that's good. And I'll take you outside. Right, take you outside. Oh yeah, you get a bench, you know, the little table and benches. Oh, this is the fire pit you hire, except for this is mine. And you get these from the range. These are quite good. They're sort of lighting, and got the chairs and that, so it's really nice. And got my Prosecco for tonight, and I've got my Baileys for the night. So I'll be, maybe, because I had that last time, my Baileys, maybe I didn't feel the cold because I was knocked out. That's probably why. But yeah, and I got Toto over there. Yeah. Yes. Say hello, Toto. He's hello. I know you've done. You look scruffy. You needs a shave. Needs his hair cut, but I thought I'm not going to cut his hair yet because it can be quite cold. He's quite an old dog, so I don't want to cut it yet until it gets warm. Right, I'm going to show you around now. Right, having a little walk. He's having his doggy walk. Well, the sights. Hi, I'm on my way to the local pub from Ashbourne Woods, but I don't know, I think it might not be open, but just going for a little walk down there just to show people that are camping where the pub is. And yeah, there should be a little church up here somewhere, I think. It's a beautiful little walk though. Little roads. One thing about Devon, you get little tiny roads and they're so cute. Ashbourne Woods is a camping place. It's very beautiful, and if you want to get out of the way, it's the place to go. So you've got a lot of wildlife. Not saying about the people, that's what I heard something, but wildlife. Hear the birds in the morning. That was lovely. The crow woke me up though. It's good if you haven't brought your clock or anything with you and you don't know what the time is. The crow will wake you up. Oh wow, look at that little cottage with our thatch roofs. Really nice. And these little cottages here, they are lovely brickwork. Yeah. And you've got a little stream here. It's a really pretty place. And you've got a little stream. And the church is up there and the pub's up there. Up there. Right. I'm on the way to the pub. Oh, there's a black cat. I think that's good luck. It's a good sign of good luck when it crosses your path. Or is it bad luck? I don't know. Hope it's good luck. Oh, it's so out of the way here. Really pretty. Not how much those houses cost to buy. That's church side. Oh, here's the pub. Church House Inn. Just going up towards it. You like it, don't you, Toto? Oh dear. Quite hard pushing the pushchair, dog pushchair up the hills. Right. Let's see what this says. Pub right of way and public footpath. Public right of way. And there's the pub. Oh look, AD 1028. That's a really old pub. Really old. Because he's old. 16.
Oh.
Yeah, very old. He does have a little walk, but it's
So cute.
just gets knackered. Hi, nice talking to you. Oh look, that is so pretty. Wow. AD 1028. That's an old pub. I wonder when it goes.
Barnet sover tryggt under värmande fäll. Skogen står så dunkel i blånande kväll. Frosten glimmar vit ut i skålgropens häll. Barnet sover tryggt under värmande fäll. Marken under skrud av snö vilar så tung. Natten känns lång i väntan på ljus. En midvintersång från värmande hus. Barnet sover tryggt under värmande fäll. Skogen står så dunkel i blånande kväll. Frosten glimmar vit ut i skålgropens häll. Barnet sover tryggt under värmande
Here,
fäll.
here's some lovely pictures of the village of Rattery. Very pretty pictures.